Hi friends, welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. Today we are going to draw Grandpa Pig, Peppa, George, and the train. At first I draw Grandpa Pig nose. Then I draw a shape of his head. I draw his eyes.
Grandpa Pig,
Then his smile.
Says a train adventure, let's
I draw his hat.
Peppa and George, they jump with delight. To the station, they squeal with all their might. Tickets in hand,
I draw his body.
care, they find the big train waiting right there.
I draw his arm.
With a huff and a puff and a whistle so grand, Grandpa helps them on board with a lending hand. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack.
Then I'm going to draw the train.
All around, their journey begins. Out the window, the world rushes by. Look, George! Peppa shouts, pointing up high. Peppa and George, they jump with delight. To the station, they squeal with all their might. Tickets in hand and bags packed with care, they find the big train. Oh, oh. Peppa rings the bell, ding dong, she lets
I
go.
draw train
George
wheels.
munches on snacks with a happy grin. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, the wheels start to spin. Smiles all around, their journey begins. Out the window, the world rushes by. Look, George! Peppa shouts, pointing up high. Fields full of sheep
And some
cows in a
details
row.
of the train.
A conductor comes by with a friendly hello. Peppa rings the bell, ding dong, she lets go. George munches on snacks with a happy grin, while Grandpa shares songs, making quite a din. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, the wheels start to spin. Smiles all around, their journey begins. Out the window, the world rushes by. Look, George! Peppa shouts, pointing up high. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, the wheels
I'm going to draw Peppa.
with smiles all around, their journey begins. Out the window, the world rushes by. Look, George, Peppa shouts, pointing up high. Through tunnels so
Then I
dark,
draw George
they
Pig.
hold their breath tight, then into the sunshine. They did one light. Up hills and down valleys, the train chugs along. Grandpa's hearty laugh fills the air. When the sun starts to set, as the day fades away, but the fun's not quite over. They still have time to play, pretend to jive,
And complete the train.
pretend to jive. Frank the gang! Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, the wheels start to spin. Smiles all around, their journey begins. Out the window, the world rushes by. Look, George, Peppa shouts, pointing up high. The train pulls in slowly, their journey
Let's
completes.
color in Grandpa Pig with light
So
pink
sweet,
color.
best train ride ever, they all do declare. Grandpa Pig hugs them, more adventures to share.
Purple color.
The train pulls in slowly, their journey complete. Tired but happy with smiles so sweet. Best train ride ever, they all
Red
do
color.
declare. Grandpa Pig hugs them, more adventures to share. Adventure, Grandpa Pig proclaims, with Peppa and George joining his railway games. They build a grand track twisting all around, with tunnels and bridges and stations they've found. Peppa's the conductor, her whistle blows loud. George loads
Blue color.
cargo, making him proud. Grandpa's the driver with steam in his sight. All aboard! They all shout, bursting
Jade
with
blue
light.
color. Yellow color.
The train starts to roll through mountains and valleys, reaching their goal. Over the rivers and under the trees, exploring new places on
Green
the
color.
train. Green
Jade blue. Black color.
forests so shady and
Let's
green.
coloring Peppa with pink color.
Happy scene with laughter and sandwiches under the sky. Their train waits nearby.
Her dress with red color.
Next stop a beach with waves crashing high.
And let's coloring George with pink color. Cobalt blue color. Jade blue color. Black. Sky blue color.
Train starts to roll through mountains and valleys, reaching their goal.
Yellow color.
Over the rivers and under the trees.
Black color.
Exploring new places on Grandpa's train breeze. The moon shines above, the stars twinkle bright as the train softly chugs through the magical night. They tell stories and sing songs on their long home way. Another wonderful journey filled with laughter and
Jade blue color.
another wonderful journey filled with laughter and play. And so the day ends with laughter so bright. Grandpa's train adventures are inside. Trains full of tracks and whistles so grand. Peppa, George, and Grandpa.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.